2025 Prelim RGPS Paper 2, Question 12. JKM and NKM are triangles. NKRM is a trapezium with NM parallel to KL. NM, KL are parallel. Find angle NML. Right, this is the angle we are looking for. Okay. Before that, let's find this angle. Angle KLM equals to 360 minus 305 degrees. That gives us 55. Okay. Now remember that when you have two parallel lines and a line that cuts across, the sum of the two angles inside add up to 180. Okay, so given that NM is parallel to KL, it means that angle NML is to be 180 degrees minus 55. That gives us 125 degrees. Okay, our answer for part A is 125 degrees. So this is 125. Okay, now let's find this angle here. Remember the same rule where when you have one line that cuts across two parallel lines, the internal angle must add up to 180. So this angle and this angle must add up to 180. Right? So part B, first step, let's find angle NKL. Okay, that's 180 minus 100 will give us 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees. Okay, find angle JMN. This is the angle we are looking for now. Okay, I'm going to redraw the sides of this shape just so that it's easier for you to visualize. Now this is not a trapezium. Okay, it's an odd shape with 4 sides. Now what's the sum of all the angles inside? It's very easy. Imagine a 4-sided shape. You can easily cut it into 2 triangles. One triangle, sum of angle inside a triangle is always 180. Now you have 2 triangles. So the total of all the angles inside should add up to 360. Alright, so now to find angle JMN, we can take 360 degrees minus away 68 minus away 125 minus away 55 minus away 80. Okay, and minus away 19. Okay, and this will give us 13 degrees, and this is our answer. Angle JMN is 13 degrees.